Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, remove the phone and any inserts, then rinse the case under warm water to loosen grime. Once done, apply a few drops of mild dish soap and scrub gently with a soft brush. Scrub in circular motions to lift surface oils. Make sure to focus on edges and ports where dirt hides. Rinse thoroughly, then pat dry with a microfiber cloth. You'll see immediate improvement. This step removes everyday residue that accelerates yellowing. Once cleaned, tackle embedded yellowing by applying a baking soda paste across the entire case. Spread evenly and let sit 10 to 15 minutes so it breaks down oxidation. For tougher areas, dab 70% plus isopropyl alcohol. This dissolves oils and some polymer discoloration. Be careful to avoid prolonged contact with printed or matte finishes. Then use the brush to work the paste into crevices and rinse well. Make sure to dry completely to prevent water spots and re-yellowing. You finish by drying the case fully, air dry 12 hours or use low heat from a hairdryer at least 6 inches away. Moisture trapped inside causes stains later. If discoloration persists, consider a controlled UV bleach soak or professional plastic brightener. These fade more stubborn oxidation but can thin coatings. Make sure to inspect the finish. If peeling or cracking appears, stop treatments and replace the case. Troubleshooting tip: if cleaning causes stickiness, rinse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.